I will talk about how can you explore hotels on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, so then it's going to take you to this is here. It's going to show for you like this. So all you have to do now, you just click here on explore hotels here, just click on it. So when you just click here on explore hotels, it's going to take you to this list, and here can you explore hotels here in this list, or here can you just search for where can you we check you here, you search for your place, then it's going to show for you in this list on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you all get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.